If you want a woman to be interested and attracted to you, then you first need to be interested in her, as opposed to being interesting. The one thing you can actually do is ask her questions. Be curious. Get to know what she likes, what she doesn't like, who she is. Because the reality is, women love to talk about themselves. Ever known a woman that doesn't like to talk about herself? So ask her questions. Be curious. When you actually ask her questions, all of a sudden, she's going to feel like she's being heard. She's going to feel like, oh my God, this guy sees me. This guy hears me. Oh my God, he actually understands me. We actually connect. That is building rapport. And when you can build rapport, that is a game changer. Of course, there's going to be times where you have to talk. And that's when you're going to have to be good at conversing, using your body language, feeling the energy between you, using your voice maybe. All this comes into play. But that is only 20%. 80% is being able to invest and be interested in her. That's right, 80% is being curious, more curious about her.